Asparagus aren't only delicious, they're easy to grow. Unlike other vegetables in the garden, you only have to plant them once. Here's a list of supplies you'll need to grow your own asparagus. First, pick a well-drained spot in your garden that gets plenty of sun. In the fall, rake out any rocks and roots and remove grass and weeds. Then work in a few inches of compost. Next, test your soil. A pH level of 6.5 to 7 is ideal. Then, amend soil and mulch the bed for the winter. After spring's last frost, dig a trench 6 to 8 inches wide and 6 inches deep. Then space the asparagus crowns in the trenches 12 to 18 inches apart. Root the crowns with 2 or 3 inches of soil, then water. Once planted, it's time to fertilize with a mixture made specifically for vegetables. Use the amount recommended on your product. As the plants get taller, rake more soil back in the trenches. Stop when the bed is level with the ground. To maintain your asparagus bed, keep it moist during the growing season. Ideally, water should soak 8 inches deep. In dry regions, a soaker hose or drip irrigation system will keep plants properly hydrated. When it comes to growing asparagus, patience pays off. Let plants fully mature for a few years without heavily harvesting them. This helps establish a hardy root system and will maximize future harvests. For help selecting the right variations, speak with a local store associate in the garden center. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.